So we're at the outdoor unit. That's the AC maintenance here. I'm just about to do a little deep dive into how everything's running. Check the refrigerant levels here. Check all the electronics. Make sure nothing's below its rating. This capacitor here. It's actually one of the #1 causes for no AC calls. This actually starts the compressor and the fan motor. If this is below its rating, nothing's going to start. So we always check that on the maintenance. Make sure this is going to actually perform through the season.